Natural gas last week yet again traded bearish, hitting the critical support zone at $3 levels before bouncing back and closing at 3.1. Can we say that now the bottoming is done for nat gas? Can we expect a bounce back from these levels here? Because see, this is what we had seen for the last three times. Can we expect a reversal here, or it is going to break below 3 and going to move towards 2.6 zone, filling the gap here towards 2.6, 2.7? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading natural gas in the coming week? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review. I do share my twice a day updates with precise levels. Thus, subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel membership here on YouTube to support the effort. And yes, towards the end of this update, I'll be sharing the trading levels, so do watch till the end. Now, let's have a look at the weekly charts first. And if you see the weekly charts, see $3 levels, which were the resistance for quite some time, are now going to remain a greater support. And this is the third time we have seen net gas taking the support from $3 levels, because below 3 there is a possibility, strong possibility, that we may see a move towards 2.8, where the gap is left to be filled, and then towards 2.6, which is going to remain the greater support zone here on the downside. And this is going to be a tremendous break, because see, we have seen the highs close to $5 levels just few weeks back, and it is almost eroded 40%, moving towards $3 levels. And hence also we have seen four bearish candles here. Thus the possibility of a bounce back like edges is strong for the coming few weeks, and hence the coming week is going to remain critical. A drop below 3, 2.94 is a clear sign of further bearishness, but as long as 3 and 2.94 is respected, you have to be careful with the sells. See, the moving averages which were trading with divergence have started to converge, though it is far from crossover. And look at the stochastic, this is already come towards an oversold zone. And if you look at whenever on the weekly charts net gets hits the oversold zone, it tries to bounce back. Now see the difference here. This was the last time when it has hit an oversold zone. The price was at $2 levels, and preceding times it was at to 1.6, 1.7 zone. And now, though the stochastic has come to an oversold zone, the price is still at 3.2 levels, and hence we can say it is creating higher base for a bounce back. When you look at the weekly chart, see, this is important. The drop here, the retracement, see, it was a sharp drop. The retracement is gradual. Also notice it is crossed over, and this is what we discussed last week, that see, this crossover is coming after a long bullish move, and then it is trading with divergence looking downwards just three candles away. So we have seen the third red candle as well, and now there is a possibility this could continue here on the downside for a while. As you can see, the red and blue lines are trading with divergence, and this suggests that this could still continue with further downside, and that is why I say once it trades below 3, the bearishness will increase in the coming week. The RSI is looking downwards, which is definitely a slight bearish sign. Coming to the daily chart. Now on the daily chart, see, it is showing signs of reversal here. Look at the move here. It has moved towards 3 and it is forming higher lows. This is the reversal sign. This is the first bullish candle. When the next candle arrives, and if you see net gas trading above 3.2, you can expect it to show a pullback. Yes, natural gas has already seen a strong bearish move for last couple of weeks or more, and now the moving averages have crossed over. These are trading with divergence, staying bearish. Also the prices have hit the support zone at 3, and see, this is the third time after the rise it has hit 3. So this could lead to a round of bigger bounce back as well, and hence the coming week is going to remain important, where the net gas might decide the direction it wants to take. Now see, any move beyond 3.4, 3.5 is a clear sign of further strengthening in natural gas prices. So yes, if you see it closing above 3.5, 3.6 in the coming week, you can say that now we are looking forward to $4 levels again, which is going to remain a critical level here. Stochastic on the daily charts is also oversold. This may cause a reversal. Uh, this can suggest that now it has come to an oversold territory, and a possibility of a bounce back will be higher than compared to a drop here. When you look at the daily MACD, this is also seen a good dip. This also calls for it to reverse. And see, this after hitting the highs at plus 200, it has already seen the minus 200 levels. And see, this was the time when it has formed a double bottom on the daily charts, and this suggests that natural gas might start to reverse from the current levels. RSI coming to oversold zone, coming to 4 hour. Now look at 4-hour charts here. See, after dropping here, higher lows are created, and now it is closed at the top, and now if you see, it is staying above 3.1 3.18 zone, you can just stay bullish here. If it breaks beyond 3.18 3.2, we will look forward to 3.25, and then possibility of a move towards 3.32 and 3.4 levels will be very, very high. See, it is closed above 20 period, and notice every time it is seen the 20 period, it is shown a reversal, and hence the coming candle, the beginning of the week, is going to be very important for natural gas, because see, if it delivers a gap up opening, we can see a move above 3.2, and then the possibility of a move towards 3.3 3.4 will increase. The moving averages right now are trading with divergence and staying bearish. If you see the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD also almost trading flat after crossover here at the bottom, while the RSI is looking upwards, which is a good sign, supportive of further bullishness. Now coming to the important one, the monthly chart. Now if you look at the monthly chart, see, after this drop here, this was the retracement, then lower lows, and it is starting off with the retracement. It is already achieved close to $5 levels. Now one important observation here is, see, till here it was forming higher lows, higher highs. This current candle has already breached this bullish channel here. That is the first part. The next part here is every rise offset with couple of retracement, 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 and retracement. This time it has come down to the zone where it has taken the support with the last dip. And see the formation here, two green candles, one red, two green candles, one red. And this also is possible that it can close the month at around 3.2, 3.3. And the next month we may see a bullish candle again, because see what it does here is couple of green then red, couple of green then red. So this could follow with couple of green candles here. Couple of green candles means a possible breakout beyond $4, 4.4 can be expected in the month of May. But right now I can see the conditions are not very much conducive for such a stronger rise, and also it is coming out of this bullish channel is not a good sign. And hence if you see natural gas trading below 3, then you can expect more bearishness. 2.9294, 2.8 are going to remain the greater supports. Below that 2.6 will be seen. Stochastic looking down, the MACD has crossed over here at the bottom and it is trading with divergence. This is a good sign for the bulls, and see, after delivering months of bearishness, it is crossed over. This suggests that in fact, even if it delivers couple of red candles, possibly taking it all the way towards 2.8, 2.6, but this will also lead the path for a reversal in the near term. Near term means 3 to 6 months down the lane, and hence the coming week is definitely going to be important, and the coming month as well. If you look at the RSI, this is looking downwards, which is a slight bearish sign. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. And before I provide you the trading levels and strategy, if you also want to learn this art of trading where you can trade any instrument, analyze any instrument across the globe, find out your levels, take your entries accordingly, you can be part of my mentorship batch. The 32nd batch starts on 5th of May. Do not miss to register for it. Reach out to me for queries. Else you can be just part of my signals channel and trade as per the signals. Connect with me, write an email or ping me or telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now where you should buy, I will recommend you to buy here at 3.18 levels. Expect it to move towards 3.24 first target zone, 3.32 next, and then 3.4 levels should appear. If it stays beyond 3.4, the possibility will be high that we are looking forward to 3.5 first and then 3.6 second. These are completely greater resistance zone for natural gas for any upside move, and we know that once it trades beyond 3.6, the direct landing it is towards 3.8 and $4 levels. And if at all natural gas moves beyond 4, certainly this is a reversal, and this could apply for the coming month, that it may head again on the upwards towards 4.5 $5 zone. But I doubt that it is going to deliver such a strong move in the coming week. Even if it tries to rise, I think 3.3 3.5 zone should be a very good resistance possibly, and thus you need to be careful. As long as 3.6 is not taken, do not treat natural gas as bullish here. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 3.12, where you can expect it to move towards 3.07 and then 3.04 and then $3 levels. If it trades below $3 levels, you can say now the bears are back. We can look forward to 2.94, 2.92 as the first target zone. This is a very strong support zone. Then 2.856 and then 2.8 levels will appear. Any drop below 2.8 is a clear sign of prevailing bearishness in natural gas prices, where we are going to look at 2.6, the next target zone. I doubt that it is going to move towards 2.6. There is a possibility of a bounce back and a retracement here, and thus you need to be careful, specifically in the coming week. Any move beyond 3.3, 3.4, and then specifically above 3.6 is where you can confirm that now natural gas is turning bullish, and we can look forward to 4 plus levels here. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.